typical early morning on the Rewa Delta. Fishermen are out on boats before sunrise. A good catch. On land, the result is the same. These group of women catching in on their crab traps and collecting seashells. Once the catch is sorted, the extras are sold at the market. The rest is for the cooking pot at home. People here are intrinsically connected to the sea. Their livelihoods depend on it.
The International Tropical Timber Organization project in Fiji's Rewa Delta plays a very important role in assisting communities rehabilitate degraded coastal mangroves. These degradations have been attributed to deforestation, coastal erosion, and the growing number of cyclones that frequent our shores. The ITTO project has been working with 6 communities over the past few years, replenishing mangrove and coastal species stocks in their respective jurisdictions. Capacity building in these communities and the consistent wave of mangrove coastal species replanting exercises at restoration sites has had the desired effect over the years. Communities are starting to witness the wheels turn and change in their environment.
A key to life and happiness here is a healthy mangrove forest. Mangroves ensures that the sea is rich in biodiversity and protection from rising sea levels and cyclones. So the replanting works in the Rewa Delta has become a welcome relief.
Na programongo e kota mai ndona mbula lepu ki mai ena kena baka taki na ne memponua ena ka wata ka ni wotui kene tiri kai bure ni mbula ki mai ke irna ni mami ka ni mata
ebe barara mataki na ne mami kila ka me baleta na kawe tumbu wabuliti ke mami na bule mai bakaidori kena bebu keni ITTO ena kena koma ina teni kau kasama mbula bule na lomani koro kena waitui sa kema me reda kena ni sa tosto mai bakamalu na sautu ena ni mami bono
dura ni dara tungo ni ndongo na menangoni kena basu basu petegi satu har tungango mategi mami na kena sa kanya tu na membar naua ni kema mtu baka sambu taka tu ndongo na vale ni kota mena ITTO ni barra bataki reda ni satiu me sa bavala tu na ika lomani barra bingo yusin tu batungo yo ngono ke mesange mereda ni ndongo sambo ndonji na kayang
indar ka me bisu tangana ni mitobo ni marro na kau ka boga si ndongo ni boga mbulu ta ko na oitui kine boy ka mbulu kene bale ni kimi mito bati tingana kene tibo kene ndongo na kauto mena sautu kene ni me bolo singa wala ngano kimi mongo bogo si bi relwe ki mami kirna mo kumbuki mami.
The truth is, without mangroves, the dismal effect on our coastal communities would be drastic.
Rewa River Delta in Fiji's Central Division contains the largest mangrove ecosystem complex in the country. However, these mangroves are under threat. Studies revealed that mangroves in the Rewa Delta had been degraded. There are not enough mangroves to protect the villages from coastal erosion and cyclones. Thanks to our renewed collaboration with the ITTO, the project saw an extended period of implementation in 2020. This gave the ministry more time to deliver the objectives of the project and assess its success rate. The project on community-based restoration and sustainable management of vulnerable forests of the Rewa Delta has come by leaps and bounds since its inception in 2015. Like all projects, there was a need to closely critique areas that could be strengthened and employing ways to capitalize in achieving our goals. To date, we can confidently say that we are realizing the short turnaround of the work that has been put together over the years to make this a reality.
There is a growing need to to increase the area of mangrove forests in Fiji, and there are bigger and ambitious projects that also carry the same message. Much of it is on awareness and education, knowledge exchange, and bringing together partners for better solutions on mangrove restoration and recovery.
Since Fiji's interaction with the ITTO, well over 18,201 mangrove seedlings have been planted in. Ultimately, the key is heightening the advocacy of saving our mangrove forests with the hope of changing mindsets, behavior that cultivates a culture of mangrove resilience in our people.
The successful restoration of degraded mangrove forests in Fiji over the past few years is strong evidence that mutual cooperation and partnerships among stakeholders are essential for the conservation and sustainable use of Fiji's biodiversity. We at the ITTO are proud of the collaborative partnership it has built over the years and looks forward to replicating the positive aspects of this project in other communities in Fiji and in the Pacific region, while positively contributing to, amongst others, the UN CBD and the Sustainable Development Goals 2030.